Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to fix the time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions on iPhone iOS 18. Let's go. Sometimes the settings on your phone can limit you from changing the time zone to what you want, but don't worry, there are some straightforward solutions that can help you fix this problem. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down a bit and tap Screen Time. Then scroll down again and tap App Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions by toggling off this switch. Now enter your screen time passcode. Then go back and tap where it says Change Screen Time Passcode. And then tap Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. Now enter your screen time passcode. Once you've done that, hopefully your issue will be fixed. But if it didn't fix your issue, go back to Settings. Then tap Privacy and Security. Now tap Location Services, and then turn off Location Services by toggling off the switch, and then restart your device. After restarting your device, attempt to change the time zone manually. Once more, and see if the problem has been resolved. Hopefully, you should be able to manually select and adjust the time zone according to your preference. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.